Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own sticker for your Instagram story. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is creating an Instagram story. So we can tap on your story right here, and for example, I'm going to upload the story. I'm in this photo to be my Instagram story. We can just tap on the photo. Then if you want to create your own sticker, you can click on the sticker button, and then you're gonna tap on countouts right here and select a photo or an image from your device you would like to make it as your sticker, and I'm gonna go with this image. Okay, and you have to wait until the process completed. Okay, and this is the result, but if you are not satisfied with the result, you can select manually right here, and I'm just going to use the sticker, and we can click on use sticker. Okay, just wait for a moment again. Okay, and now the sticker has been saved, and I'm going to use the sticker for my Instagram story. So I'm going to zoom in or zoom out like this, and I'm gonna place the sticker right here. Okay, and I guess that's all the tutorial to create our own sticker for our Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.